The viewers what
Give
happened.
a rolling show, come on.
Came in too hot.
Okay.
And then fell in the dirt.
hot?
And
How
then
hot?
I tried to stop, and then I just kept going.
And then yeah, if you hit the wall, like you guys sign the waiver, it's 50 bucks a foot.
17 feet at $50 a foot.
850. So there you go. That was an $850 crash right there, plus whatever the fucking car.
Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding that front bumper. As it says on his windshield, dang. Uh-oh.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this hose back because the flare is leaking. And we're gonna cut a hole here to catch all that oil that's dripping down there. Okay, we got Lou Dog and Joey on it. All right. Whew. Liquid gold. How risky do we want to get? Okay, we're good. I don't see it seeping.
Yeah.
We're just gonna let it idle.
We already vlogging though?
Non-stop vlogging, dude. What's up? What's going on?
I got your oil.
Shout out to Stephanie Drifts for Rotella and engine degreaser. Thank you. I got you. What happened? What happened? Tell the viewers what
Give
happened.
him a rolling show, come on.
Came in too hot,
Okay.
and then fell in the dirt.
hot?
And
How
then
hot?
I tried to stop, and then I just kept going.
Okay. Shit.
But we're good.
You know. Good afternoon. Why do you always come late just to get 2 laps in?
I can't finish. We
Go, go.
can't tandem if you keep
Hey.
talking to me. No, you didn't. I looked over there. I didn't see a flip.
Okay, reaction. Stephanie just reaction. She has no idea what's going on.
It's just that? Oh.
It's just that? All right.
Pobrecito.
All right, carbon roof, carbon quarter panels, all dry carbon. We're good, you know? It's about Josh. Everyone's caring about Potato. Josh was the passenger.
I didn't know you were in the car. Are you okay?
Driver's okay, passenger's okay, that's good. Car drives, so good for that. He just wanted me to reiterate all the safety stuff, so like I said, please don't get out of your car unless you're either upside down or you're on fire. And then yeah, if you hit the wall, like you guys signed the waiver, it's 50 bucks a foot, so if you're gonna hit it, barely touch it or something, but I think that's gonna be almost like $1,000 for that wall.
850.
850.
17 feet at $50 a foot.
850. So there you go. That was an $850 crash right there, plus whatever the fucking car.
Also, if you guys want to ride along, I'll trade you for a subscription. Subscribe to my YouTube. You go for a ride along.
Can I unsubscribe
1 lap?
and then subscribe
Yeah, that's
again?
fine. Whatever. Ever been drifting before? You're good though, right?
You're awesome. No, that was fucking great.
All right, JoJo's never been drifting. Okay, good. I'm glad it was a positive experience. I didn't crash and did anyway, you know? What's up? I'm Paul. Put this car from Virginia, or no, Illinois. All the way here and then drove here. You know, we got oil pressure, car's not overheating. We're good. We didn't die. You didn't die. This guy's still alive. You want to drive my car?
No, actually, alright. Can I get it right along?
Yeah, let's go.